Ladies and gentlemen, I sincerely believe this political community platform can play and should play an important role in diffusing conflicts and in helping to resolve them, notably in the South Caucasus and between Serbia and Kosovo. Because conflicts are not only a problem for those directly involved, they are a problem for the region and for our continent. And we should use this unique platform to build more confidence among us, more confidence, more peace, more stability, more predictability. The world is watching our European continent, and some hope we will fail, but many others hope we will succeed. Our citizens want us to lead and to be a force for change in improving their daily life, and it is our responsibility as leaders to show that we can work together to ensure peace, security, and to improve well-being, and to bring the four corners of our continent closer together. And I think that this political community is a vision for the future. It's a vision for a Europe that's united, that's peaceful, stable, and prosperous. Thank you.